your abs and your legs bent to 90 degrees. Your upper body should be slightly raised above the floor. Tighten your abs and pull your knees in toward the chest, hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Use your muscles to control the movement. Return to the initial position and repeat. TOUTED is one of the most effective abs exercises. The reverse crunch works your entire abdominal region. When done regularly, it helps build a strong core and improve stability throughout the hips, lower back, and spine.
1, 2,